Hi, boys and girls. Happy Thursday. I hope everyone's having a great week so far. So, boys and girls, we're actually going to be starting our next chapter, chapter 18, and I will give you an assessment on picture graphs when we get back to school. So, our next chapter, boys and girls, is lines and curves. And do you think you boys and girls know the difference between a line and a curve? Believe it or not, boys and girls, you can find lines and curves anywhere in your home right now. So I just want to go over here and show you the difference between a line and a curve and what you will be working on for Thursday and Friday. So here we have a line and here's a curve. If you notice the difference, a line is straight, a curve has a bend to it. So boys and girls, there can be some pictures as well and figures that have only parts of lines and only have parts of curves. So I want you to look at these pictures Miss Laspiza drew, and can you tell me if there are parts of lines, meaning are there only lines in the picture, or are there parts of curves, meaning there are only curves in the picture? Is this parts of lines or parts of curves? Do you see any curves here, or do you see any lines? Good, this is parts of lines, boys and girls. If you can see, it matches a straight line. How about the next one? It's a flower, yes, boys and girls, but is there parts of lines or parts of curves? Good. This is parts of curves, boys and girls. You can see that the flower, yes, okay, there is a straight line, but it goes around into a curve. So these are parts of curves. Now, boys and girls, there can also be figures that have both parts of lines and parts of curves. I just want to show you what one might look like here. So here you can see I have a curve and then I have parts of lines. So boys and girls, what you're going to be working on today for Thursday is you will be identifying and tracing the correct figures here. You are going to only trace the figures with parts of lines. Only lines, so ones that look like these two figures. And then on number 2, you're only going to trace figures that have curves, only curves, no straight lines, curves only. And then the third one, you are going to just do parts of lines and curves. So that is for Thursday. And then for Friday, you boys and girls will work on page 216. I hope this helps you, boys and girls. Have a great day. Can't wait to see everyone soon. Bye.